Good morning, traders. So, welcome back to the another gold analysis video. I hope you all are doing good. So, yesterday also, like we have seen some such great movements in the gold market, and the most surprising is that we have seen the movement in both the direction. And I hope, like, if you have seen my yesterday gold analysis videos, I have already mentioned you this that maybe yesterday, like we can expect the market in both the direction, like we'll be seeing the movements in both the direction. And as we can see, the market has made a low of 2865 or 64, and then again we have seen a very good pullback from here, and then we have seen the market to end up at 2906 or 2905, something around that, on yesterday. Okay, so why such strong movements come in the market, that also like we'll discuss. What happens regarding about the market, like what was the data and how it is impact on the market. So we will discuss each and everything, right? Now if we talk about the yesterday data, so yesterday the CPI data was highly positive for the currency, right? And even we have the Powell speech also, right? So Powell testimony also. So in yesterday testimony also, like he has given a very clear statement that they will look forward for the inflation, because our like their priority is to like move back the inflation rate to 2%, or maybe the less than 2%, because they would not be able to take the risk regarding about the inflation. So basically he has given a very clear statement that they are not planning for the Fed rate cuts, maybe like in the near months. Okay, and even like they were expecting that the Fed rate cuts would happen maybe like around August or September. But again, he has said that now we are planning and we have shifted it to December. So again, market is like a very much dicey also, and like the people who were expecting that the Fed would rate cut. So, and even the traders or the institutional traders, they were also expecting that whether any um, estimate date or month like Powell will talk about, because like earlier it was expecting that maybe there is a rate cut in the month of August or September, but he has given very clear statement that now the rate cut would happen in December. So this also proves to be a very strong point for the dollar and for the US economy, and he really don't wants to take the risk. And the other thing which he has given a very strong statement by saying this, like he said that even like even like Trump takes any decisions regarding about the US economy, like he means like regarding about this trade tariff wars. Okay, so whatever decision he takes in terms of this trade war situations between US and other countries, but our decision, that means like federal bank decision or Federal Reserve Bank decision, would be totally in interest of making the inflation rate lower or maybe less than the 2%. So he has very much sure about that. Okay, so as the statement proves to be a good for the dollar market. So now understand this, that it's like a very dicey or risky market for now. Why I am saying this is because, see, Trump is taking decisions regarding about the trade tariff, which is devaluing the dollar, right? Which is creating a high impact on dollar value, and it also increasing the inflation. But at the same time, Powell, he is saying that okay, like such decisions cannot impact the US economy at a very high rate, because US is one of the biggest and the greatest economy of the world, right? And he will also not decrease the Fed rates. Okay, as people were saying and people were expecting that in rate cuts, but he has given a very clear statement that he will not cut the rates as due to the inflation. Now, one thing is devaluing the currency, and the other thing is supporting the currency. Okay, so they are making a balance between the economy. Okay, so this has like if this is their planning, so I must say that this is a very smart move and a clear move for of the US government, right? And now if I talk about the today's market, so basically today's market we have a very important data again. Yesterday it was CPI, now we have core PPI, and then we have unemployment claims also. So as you can see, last time the data was very negative, right? Data was negative for the currency. PPI month on month data was also negative, and core PPI data was also negative. Okay, so let's say like even if we expect that today's news or the today's PPI data or unemployment claims, if data comes negative, then we can see a new higher high in the gold market. And like whatever the levels, like we are expecting that we are like at the level we are expecting of, let's say like $3,000 or maybe like $3,300, so that we can see in the coming March end, or maybe like in the April, or maybe like in the Feb end, we can see the market at 3,000 level. Yes, yes, we can see that, because such decisions and whatever the situations are going on, we can see the market at 3,000. And there is one important update which I really want to give over here, is because in my yesterday oil analysis video I have said this, but I like forgot to say in my gold analysis. But again, I just want to tell it over here that in yesterday or day after yesterday news, it's a very important news regarding about the war situation between Israel and Gaza. So the Prime Minister of Israel, he has given a very clear statement to the Gaza, and he has said that I want my hostages by this Saturday. He has given very clear statement that I want my hostages by this Saturday, and if Gaza failed to do so, then he will violate the ceasefire and he will end everything. He will end Gaza. He has given a very clear statement on this. And on this statement also, Donald Trump has also given a reaction, and he has said that Gaza should listen what Israel is saying. Otherwise, if you did not follow what Israel asking, then Israel would start the war, and Israel would violate the ceasefire, and I would not be able to do anything in such matter. And then whatever would be happen, or like whatever will happen, that Gaza would need to handle it. I would not intervene in the matter now. So he has also given a very clear statement. So now Gaza has the time till Friday or Saturday. Okay. So if Gaza didn't respond anything, or if Gaza didn't return back all the hostages to the Israel, then Israel would violate the ceasefire, and then again Israel would get involved in the war. Okay. So if this news comes, then obviously it will support the gold market. And if this war situations again, like if war started, then obviously we'll be seeing the gold market very high, and the level what we are expecting like 3,000 or maybe 3,300. So we can see in the near months if war gets started. Okay, so this is an important update. You need to keep this in the mind. Now, another thing which I want to highlight about the pattern of this gold market is that in the gold market, as you can see, the market is moving in higher high and higher low pattern. Okay, it's an higher high and higher low pattern. So understand this. See, market is going higher high, then again market has made the higher low. Again market is moving higher high, then again market has made the higher low, right? Then again higher high, higher low. Then again market has made the higher high, then again market has made higher low. Okay, so if market is following this pattern, so what we can expect now, right? So if market is following this pattern, then we will be expecting a new higher high in the market. So the new higher high would be like higher than this 2141 or 2942 or 43 level. Then we can expect the market to reach at maybe like 2950, 53, or maybe like 2960 also. Okay, so this is very very important. Now if I talk about the pivot level, so pivot level is 2893. Okay, 2893 is an important level. So if market didn't break the level of 2893, then we would be expecting a market to go up, right? Because pivot level is very very important, and I always say that if market breaks the pivot level, then we would be seeing the change in trend and momentum. So if market breaks the level of 2893 and sustain, then we can expect the market to go more down. Okay. Otherwise, the market is bullish, and then what we'll be expecting, the market to go and retest all the resistance, and even we can expect the market to go high. Okay, now if I talk about the today's market levels and the market analysis, so as the market is moving in the upward direction, the market is strongly bullish. So if what we can expect is, we can expect the market to go and retest the level of 2929. Okay, 2929 what we can expect, and if market successfully breaks the level of 2929, then we can expect the market to go and retest the level of 2940 or 42. Okay, these are very important levels, and obviously if 2942 and 43 level breaks, then we can expect the market to go and retest the level of 2950, then 2953, and then 2960. This what we can expect. But expecting a market to go till 2950 or 53, it totally depends upon today's data, as today's data is also very important: unemployment claims, PPI, and core CPI data. Okay, so let's see what data comes, and obviously, like after the data, we need to observe the market, right? We need to see that where this market goes. Okay, now if I talk about the another scenario, so let's say if we see any deviation in the market, or let's say if market break this trend line and sustain, then we can expect the market to go till 2902 or 2900. Okay, and if market successfully break the level of 2900, then obviously we can expect the market to go till 2882 or 2881, which is a very important support level, and we have seen multiple times a reversal or a pullback from here. Okay, and if market successfully break the level of 2881 or 882, then we can expect the market to go till 2877 and 2864. Okay, so these are the important levels what we can expect in today's market. So please trade according to this level only, so that you would be making a good amount of profit. Okay, so I hope you must have got the idea regarding about this gold market. So we'll meet in the next gold analysis video, traders. Till then, please do safe trading and happy trading. Thank you.